Good morning, everyone. My name is Rania Arden Arna. Today I will identify the parts and functions of the motherboard. CPU socket. A CPU socket is made out of plastic. It comes with a rubber or latch and with metal contacts fit into the printer latch of the CPU. It holds CPU, allows it to communicate to the motherboard. CPU fan. A CPU fan keeps the CPU from overheating. PCI slot is a local computer bus used for attaching in a computer hardware devices. AV is used to hold the video card. IDE. PS to keep the mouse, pitch, and keyboard. VGA port, communication port, USB port, RS-485 port, microphone, or headphone.
Thank you, Rania Kamlagon